Hi, friends! Are you ready to hop into some fun today?
We're going to learn about subtraction. Yay!
That's right! Subtraction is all about taking away. Let's start with something easy.
Look at all my acorns. I have 5 acorns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Great job, Truffle! Now let's say you give away 2 acorns to your friends. How many do you have left?
Let's find out. So, 5 minus 2 equals 3.
That's right! 5 minus 2 equals 3. Let's look at our numbers. If we start with 3 and take away 2, we can see it like this. 3. 3 minus 2. 2. 1.
So 3 minus 2 equals 1.
Hooray! We did it!
Let's try another one.
Okay, how about 7 acorns?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
If you give away 3 acorns, how many do you have left?
4 acorns left.
Yes! 7 minus 3 equals 4. You're such great learners.
Yes, subtraction is so much fun.
Thanks for hopping along with us today. Bye-bye, friends.
Don't forget to practice subtraction.